Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix Omegle error connecting to server error. If your error seems like this, you have come to the right place. Here are some solutions to this error. First of all is the network issue. Omegle requires a stable and reliable internet connection to function correctly. Therefore, if your network connection is slow or internet is intermediate, it can cause an error. Another reason is that firewall or antivirus software. If you have installed firewalls or antivirus software, it can block Omegle from connecting to your servers. This can happen if the software perceives Omegle as a threat or potentially harmful site. Another is that browser cache and cookies. If your browser cache and cookies are corrupted, it can prevent Omegle from connecting to its server. To solve this, you need to clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser and click on the three dots here and go to the settings option. After that, head over to privacy and security. Here you can see delete browsing data option. Click on it and select time range as all time. Now check all these three boxes from here and click on delete data button. And your browser cache and cookies will be cleared. Another is that your outdated browser. Try updating your browser. Go to the same settings page and click on About Chrome here. Here, you can see that it is updating. So, your outdated browser can also cause this kind of issues. Now, click on Relaunch to use the new updated version of your browser. Another is that server maintenance. Omegle servers can go through maintenance or upgrades, which can cause temporary disruptions in the servers. In such case, you may need to wait until the maintenance is completed. So, these are the basic steps to fix the error. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.